MK Indy from Sweden. I promised Neil and Sean to do a little video and shoot some pictures on how I would fit my diffuser. Me myself asked sometimes on Facebook and on email how to mount this, and I was kind of afraid that I had to drill holes in the frame, but it turned out, I don't know if you can see this little alloy plate, this one, came with the diffuser, and it just happened so that I could actually mount it on the alloy plate here instead of drilling into the frame. You can actually see the original rivets here, and I just mounted it just behind this frame part. It's like, I think it's 3.5 centimeters in. So this came out pretty nice. And so this is the part that actually goes onto this frame I just showed you. Then these ones are supposed to sit right here. Sorry for all the dirt. And again, I didn't have to drill into the frame of the car. Which is what I was afraid of. Because I don't want rust, I don't want to weaken the frame. I don't know if I'm actually weakening the frame by drilling holes into it, but I really didn't want to. So this is very good, and the fitment is like spot on. That's not always how it is with these cars. I remember my rear fenders were pretty off, but this one, it's great. I'll update you. Bye. Here we are after first test drive. I don't know what I had to test, but you know how it is. Whatever you do, you have to test drive it. It's pretty low to the ground, and I'm actually a bit worried. I have to go to the MOT here in Sweden, and I might have to raise the car a bit. I made sure there was a gap. I wanted a gap here, so if any air would get in from here, it could escape. I think MK's idea was to shut this space I've made, but yeah, close it up. It does if you wanted to. You can just do the holes a little bit different than I did, but I think it came out pretty well, and it actually removed this kind of box form Lego car look. I really like it. I really like it. And a quick view around the car. Q-Stars lap timer, AquaSump. Anyone played computer games in the 90s will know what this is. All weapons in. Let me know in the comments. And this is not sponsored by MK. This is totally free because I like the service and I love the cars. But if you want to do something good, you should go and check out oldnewsclub.com. That is my online magazine. And I have an ECU master, so the tablet is showing everything I wanted to show actually. Oil pressure, water temp, oil temp, throttle position, ECU temperature, everything, fuel pressure. And I have an, what's it called, oil cut pressure defender. So if the pressure gets below something according to what RPM I'm in, it shuts the engine down. So this is a very good track car. It is kind of heavy because it's a Ford C-Tech engine, and I know the best choice would probably be bike engine, but that would give us some problem here in Sweden on the MOT part. Plus, I love to drive this on the streets as well, and I believe the car engine is better for that, more all round. But yeah, not the quickest on track probably. Still faster than most expensive sports cars like 911s, Ferrari, Corvette. Yeah, on the small tracks, nothing beats this. Bye.